Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add multiple photos in one Facebook story. Sharing multiple photos in a single Facebook story is a fun way to show off your favorite moments all at once. Instead of posting separate stories for each picture, you can combine them into one story that your friends and followers can enjoy. This is perfect for trips, events, or just a day full of memories. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on Create Story at the top of your feed. Next, select multiple photos and choose all the images you want to include in your story. You can select as many as you like, and they will appear in the order you pick them. After selecting your photos, tap Next. Here, you can adjust each photo individually. You can zoom in or out, rotate, or move the photos around to fit perfectly in the story layout. You can also add text, stickers, filters, or backgrounds to make your story more engaging. If you want, you can even tag friends, add hashtags or location tags for extra interaction. Once everything looks good, tap Share. Your story will be uploaded, and you can open it to check how all your photos appear together. You can even save the story to your device or highlight it on your profile if you want it to stay longer than 24 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.